Lesson to you, Paulo Cruzada, the Marcos loyalist wannabe. For me, I thought your mom is already scolded. Do not harass Teacher May. Because Ronald Rebena says, mahiya ka naman. Oh, what he just told at words that he said. You know, for me, Paulo Cruzada, what are you doing to Teacher May? What do you do to her? Teacher May is my longtime teacher. How many times I've been longtime teacher at the time? My former teacher, Teacher May Tiburcio, when I was there in CDI, FI. For almost 10 years, teacher of, I've been long time teacher that since 10 years. Oh, after from Teacher Joy, after from Teacher Lendel, after from Teacher Jessa, oh, after Teacher Marisa, after Teacher Honey, after um, who else the teachers in CDIFI at the time? Oh, after Teacher Maxi, or after Teacher Marisa, after after Teacher Honey, or after Teacher Gemma. Oh, and I said before, after that, oh, after from Teacher Lendel, after from Teacher Jessa, but Teacher May is my longtime teacher in CDIFI for 10 years. Oh, 10 years I've been experienced with Aisha, Aries, Ralph, or me and Ram Lial. I've been experienced that, me and Joshua Arroyo and Stefan Pimentel. Because I know I've been classmate with Ralph Guevara, or before Rafa was there, and even that time, me and Aries, even Stefan, since without Ralph and Sam, oh, because I know I was there at the time, because I know Sam Iranjo, Kuya Sam was my my classmate at the time, but he's my longtime classmate. Why did you harass Teacher May? She's your she's your teacher at the time, Paulo Cruzada. You know, Teacher May doesn't do anything to you. Paulo Cruzada, what if Teacher May is an anti-Marcos, if she's pro-Duterte, ha? If you harassing her, calling her, what is that? Oh, you say about gagasain kita, or you want to rape Teacher May. You will get sue, Paulo Cruzada. If Teacher May sue against you of acts of viciousness, she will report you to barangay. Oh, in Quezon City. Just like what happened to me. I've been reported by David Gill and his family in barangay. And now what really happened? What I did to David Gill? Oh, I did it to David Gill at the time. Paulo Cruzada, ha? You are special. Do not harass Teacher May. Oh, Teacher May Tiburcio is just like Ate Lot. Teacher May Tiburcio is just like Kuya Ver. Oh, do not insist yourself. Paulo Cruzada, like I say to you, you and Nino Barsaga, both of you are Marcos loyalists. Both of you are manipulatives. Why did you harass Teacher May? Paulo Cruzada, did you never heard that Teacher May is my longtime teacher? At the time, I know me, I apologize Teacher May if she's my enemy. I know I respect my enemies. If Teacher May is my enemy, I let her be. Oh, I don't want to communicate with her. Oh, I do not want to talk about her. Because I know she is retired. Oh, you ask Sir Paulo Cuva, why does Teacher May is already retired? Oh, let me ask you something. Oh, I was told by Banateros in my TikTok live, one of the Banateros have told me, she knows Teacher May Tiburcio. She lives there in Cainta, Rizal. Oh, that was her neighbor. As you can see, oh, you see Teacher May Tiburcio that her house was got in flood in Marikina. Marikina got flood because I know it was involved by Bongbong Marcos. Your idol, Paulo Cruzada. Ah, you know, Paulo Cruzada, if Teacher May is anti-Marcos, respect her own opinion. Do not debate Teacher May. Do not harass Teacher May. If Teacher Marisa and Teacher May are anti-Marcos, respect them. Oh, you need to respect. You know, Kuya Bear says, people there are anti-Marcos. We need to respect. Oh, just like that. For example, me and Teacher May Tiburcio, we are pro Duterte. Oh, would you ever insult us? We are doing something like I explained it to Paulo Cruzada and Nino Bersaga. Oh, both of you have no moral lesson from your family. You know, Paulo Cruzada, your friends didn't like you as much. Your family didn't like you. Oh, among of us, you know, the CDIFI, some of teachers and staff, they don't really like you. Teacher Evelyn doesn't like you too. Because you're attacking the CDIFI teachers. They didn't do anything to you. Oh, for me, Paulo Cruzada, you have to demand a public apology to Teacher May. Me, I apologize, Teacher May. I don't want to bash her. I don't want to harass her. I always respect. You need to apologize. Look at Teacher May Tiburcio. She lost her dad. Her father died already because of his illness. Do you want to be happen to your dad too? Oh, if I say to you, Paulo Cruzada, if your dad died also, Mr. Kulas Cruzada, who will send you a condolence? Oh, who will send you a condolence if since without with your father or Teacher May or Teacher Marisa, nobody will send you condolence because that is your responsibility. If your parents died, Paulo Cruzada, you'll be a homeless person. Pag nawala ang magulang mo, Paulo Cruzada, sino ba alagaan sa iyo? Who will taking care of you? Oh, this is very hard to say. Teacher May is always long time she's become a teacher in CDIFI oh 1995 until 2022. Oh, she's a close friend with Teacher Riza. Oh, Teacher Riza and Teacher May are best friend forever. Comparison with me and Ralph Guevara, me and Stefan Pimentel. We're best friend. What if you try to harass Teacher Riza, Paulo Cruzada, ha? Teacher Riza was in US. She's just like Teacher Gio Malana, same as in US. Would you ever harass Teacher Riza? Teacher Riza is working very hard. She's a teacher. Do not harass the CDIFI teachers. Paulo Cruzada. The teachers of CDIFI, They are caring at you. I was there in CDIFI since 2003 until 2020 year 2020. Oh, after before pandemic, I just stopped studying. Oh, now I was being in troublemaker when Ate Pura was kicked me out. I sent the letter to Teacher Ivy. Oh, I was being kicked out. Oh, but this time I never been kicked out. I respect the CDIFI teachers and staff. I never criticize them. I know I never criticize Ate Rona. Oh, because I know Ate Rona, she's a teacher aide. Oh, I respect Ate Rona. Eh yo, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, why you still harassing Teacher May? Teacher May is always caring at us. May malasakit yan si Teacher May. You know that. My Russian friend doesn't know Teacher May Tiburcio or Dennis SBO. Even Midnight 123, my American friend, he doesn't know Teacher May Tiburcio too because both of them, they didn't know who is she. Oh, like me, I know Teacher May. Oh, for example, Wari ng Kram, I met her in TikTok Live. She's Miss Earth Thailand 2025. She's a Miss Earth Fire 2025. Wari ng Kram, she doesn't know Teacher May. And I say to Wari, I know Teacher May Tiburcio. Oh, she is my longtime teacher. Oh, she's very kind. She's always caring. Oh, may malasakit si Teacher May. Oh, she's always caring. Oh, you see that Teacher May gave me a t-shirt 2015. She gave me a t-shirt. Oh, in Christmas party. During my birthday, Teacher May gave me a gift bottle also. Tumbler. I know the bottle is Vivo, was broken. And Teacher May said, palitan mo na yan. Oh, like what she said to me. You need to replace it. And I say cakes to Teacher May. She received me a gift and during my birthday in 2018. I used that bottle of water. I don't know where's the bottle of water gift from Teacher May. It's really gone. I thought I gave it to 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 Jamaica, or I gave it to 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 Ate Nenet. Oh, yeah, I don't know where's a bottle of tumbler that Teacher May gave me. Oh, she gave it to me. Oh, don't do that to Teacher May. Paulo Cruzada. You know, like I say to you, Paulo Cruzada, Teacher May is always caring. I am not criticizing you. I always criticize against you, Paulo Cruzada. You are very wrong. Do not harass Teacher May. Do you understand? Like I said before, naintindihan mo?